A cyclonic storm wreaked havoc in several areas of Ribhoi district, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake around 4 p.m. on Sunday. Among the hardest hit areas were Umshalani and Umsliang villages, both situated within the Jirang community and rural development block. Reports indicate that the cyclone inflicted severe damage, with approximately 44 houses left in ruins. Additionally, one senior citizen identified as Khuni killing sustained injuries during the incident. Meanwhile, a cyclonic storm struck the Langpi area in West Khasi Hills on Sunday, damaging around 39 houses across 6 villages. The storm caused significant damage in Umyab village, where 15 houses were affected. Similarly, 15 houses were damaged in Tinhor, 7 in Langpi, and 2 in Yeonongma. Additionally, there were reports of damage in Umwali. The storm also ravaged trees, crops, and electric poles. While the full extent of the damage is being assessed, village leaders in Langpi have been instructed by the BDO office to collect data on affected houses in their respective areas. To provide